Welcome to Kartra Contact Support Q&A number 6, brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. And quick disclaimer, we do not work for Kartra, but we can help you with Kartra issues. So today's question is, how do you contact Kartra Support? What's the best way? What are the best practices? And what are the alternatives to contacting support? Ready to go? Let's dive in. So you have 3 ways of contacting Kartra. Well, honestly, there are more than 3 ways, but here it is. You can do this from Kartra.com, and I'll show you what are the options for the support. If you're logged in inside of Kartra, you also have certain options up on the top. And if you wish, and we invite you to do that because we have a very quick response time, you can visit our website, www.fastvanow.com, and yes, link is in the description. How would you contact us? You can talk to a live person by booking a call or simply email us. What services do you provide? We'll review them at the end of this video, but here is a quick list. So what if you wanted to work with Kartra directly? Select Support from the top menu. And now you have a number of pages that you can browse. I'm going to move this as a last tab. I will open each of them as a new tab, and then we'll take a look at each of the options listed. All right, last one. So the first option is the Katranaut Learning Center. This is where you can access the number of videos that Kartra has recorded for you, and you can see they are put in a specific buckets. You have my dashboard, my products, my communications, my pages, membership forms, and you can see the list is fairly extensive. So let's open one of them. The ones we often get questions to help is, for example, pages. How do you build pages in Kartra? Let's take a look at this. So this is actually Kartra membership that shows you how to build pages in Kartra. Very good, but also very time consuming. If you want direct help, feel free to reach out to us. So that's Katranaut training. The product support, it starts with the FAQs. How do you submit tickets? How do you log in? And you can see that the list of frequently asked questions is long, but then here you go. You can submit a ticket, or there is a live chat option. When you submit a ticket, you have a form that you can use to submit a ticket for specific departments. Okay, so you have the affiliate help, billing, ask before buying, and technical support. The similar form actually opens for chat when the chat is available. The chat is available in Pacific time, business hours mostly. So if you are trying to reach to them at different time zones or on the weekend, it might not be possible to reach anyone. So some of those questions are actually very good. Let's open one. How do I change my username associated with Kartra account? Here it is. Well, you are unable, okay, to change that. So you get some of the questions up front. Next one is the Kartra account management. Now, this is really a series of shortcuts to specific areas in your Kartra. This is pretty clever, I must say. So for example, if you jump to domains, watch this. Right now I'm in homekartra.com, and then if you click on manage custom domains, it actually opens my Kartra. Okay, I'm now in custom domains of my own Kartra, and I can add a domain here. Next one is the Kartra billing support. It is the self-service where you have to log in and then you can monitor your billing. So let's try that. If we log into billing, it will take you to your own Kartra billing section. You see, I'm, for example, running the Kartra starter plan, and you can see that from here, I can cancel, I can upgrade or downgrade my subscription. Let's actually go back because there are also frequently asked questions. How could I try Kartra without a full purchase? How do I request refund? You see the full list of questions. And again, you can see the support, ticket, and chat option. Next one is Kartra Community. You have a Facebook group and a partners or affiliates Facebook group. This is a very active group, and I suggest that you join this group and continue to post your questions there. There are a number of advanced users that help you at no cost with your questions. I'm one of them as well, and perhaps I can answer one of your questions there, or you're welcome to contact us directly. Then we have Kartra Documentation, specific to areas of Kartra that you might need help with. So it's a little different from the membership area, as this is providing you with a step-by-step help type file that you can use to learn about specific features of Kartra. And finally, Kartra request board. You can request a new feature or vote on existing features. So for example, let's take a look at some of the features that Kartra is currently considering to add. So I took a look at this a little earlier on, and some of the ones that I'm really excited about is their plan. So for example, LMS for membership, that would be really incredible. Visual funnel builder, part of it's already delivered. This one, WordPress-like blogging platform. So you're welcome to join this or follow this link and upvote some of the specific features that you want to see in Kartra. Now, how would you access all of this from inside of Kartra? Well, from the dashboard, you have few icons here. So one of them is Experts for Hire, listed there as well. So if you click on Experts for Hire, there are a number of experts. Some of them I know personally, like Jason West, funnel builders, Danielle, Jody Jealous, I know them very well. Gonzalo rather, sorry. They are very well known. So how far do you have to scroll to get to me? Well, until you see something like this. Oh, yeah, there it is. Instant Kartra help. You can call me, and the first fix is free. You can look at my profile and book your call there. Is this all? No, there is more. And then there is some more. So you can click on Katranaut training portal, the graduation hat, and this will take you to the place that we already visited. So you can see this is the membership area with specific topics. What else do we have here? Well, you also have the Lifesaver support here. And this is where you can access the Kartra Wiki, specific to a number of features. And you can actually open a ticket directly from here as well. This will take you to the Kartra Support page that you have seen earlier on. So, can I do anything else? How do I get Kartra help? Well, as I mentioned, you're welcome to visit our site, fastvanow.com. We are Kartra's virtual assistants, and we help you build funnels. That's it. Easy peasy. You can get a free quote by booking a call with us. Okay. Going back, you can also email us, And remember, the first fix is free. And what services do we provide? So on this page, you have a list of services. I'm going to mention a couple that are the most popular ones. So sales funnel setup, absolutely. Email campaign setup, we do a number of them. Custom domain configurations, oh boy, we do a lot of these. Zapier integration, affiliate setup, Facebook ads, data migration, Google Analytics, and finally, if you'd like to get one of our funnels, hey, they're ready. Why not? Click here. Go to Funnel Shop, top right corner, and you'll see that we have a number of funnels that are available. One of the most popular ones are the female coach website. You can learn more from here. And you have the full description of the funnel, including the cost, but then you also can see a live demo from here. And here it is. You can actually try it before you buy it. We hope that you enjoyed this quick overview of Kartra Help. It was brought to you by Marketing Funnel Lion, and here is our website. You can get direct help from there. And if you click subscribe and like, we much appreciate that. It helps us grow this channel. You can also become a patron. Please follow this link, and it's also in the description. And we thank you, and we'll see you soon.